This next song is all about love.
Are you ready? One bottle, one Hombre tequila. One bottle, and starting. To the beat. To the beat. To the beat. Yeah! One of a good pair bartending school in Bulacan. They are very good in player bartending. Previous competition, they are a lot of awards in player bartending in Regina College. And now, this man is going to show us that still Regina College is one of the best. And execution, one of the best. That's okay. One bottle, one in reverse, flip and then flip and that. And then, wow. Pull na pull. This time, Regina College. Sensational goal of this student named Angelo Paulo Yamada. OMG, that was wonderful. Very nice. Two ballers, ladies and gentlemen. Over the website. Wonderful. Sensational and marvelous. You are very good. Nice music. Two drops. Wow. 10. Helicopter 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A very extreme routine to the next level. That's okay. That's okay. Mr. Angelo Paulo from University of Regina College, Bulacan. Where are you? Nice. Three bottles. Nice. Showtime in 3 bottles, ladies and gentlemen. Staggered. And then double crossover, very dangerous. But no fear. And now pouring
1 minute 2 seconds remaining.
Grenadine syrup from Orchid. And just putting some
54 seconds.
The cocktail name is Carmelia Tutti Frutti. Carmelia Tutti Frutti. Instituto. Saka si Protasio. No? Tutti Frutti. Talaga kayo. Okay. El Hombre Tequila Orchid Line. Del Monte Pineapple Juice or Grenadine. Orange and banana breadfruit. Powder shake and drink. And now
17 seconds remaining.
the masterpiece of Angelo Paulo Yamanaka. The last step.
5 minutes is over.
And Paulo, he
Then There goes the signal. Time stop is